Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the clearance deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers like, so help with this channel by doing so. Yes, some clearance deals and some power tool deals throughout the store. We got this one. This one's actually not a bad deal for a chainsaw. You guys see the box is a little beat up, and then they still got this in stock. This was the blower and string trimmer combo for $404. These are 60-volt tools. They include, I believe, a 9 amp hour battery, flexible battery on that one, which is a 3 if you're considering that as 60 volt. This one's down to $80 from 89, 7.5 amp electric. Those are plugged in tools, by the way. This one's a Joby electric pole saw. 125 down from 139. Got an edge trimmer here. It's $89.97 regular price, and it's down to $80. So it's the same as most of the stores. All right, we got a hose here. This is a garden hose. We got Flexton Feather Lights 5/8, 50 feet, $24. So. I got stainless steel flips, $13 from 24, and stainless steel vac, $10 from 19. These are all, by the way, sold out. I'm just giving you guys the tags. They got an axe here on clearance. Pretty nice looking axe, $27 down from 35, $35.98. All right, we got the clearance section here. We got several of them to cover. On the first one, we did see this Husky extension cord, 50 feet, 12.3. Here's another section. We got some DeWalt there. That was, you got the brushless impact drill driver, 3-speed driver combo, 224 down for $299. This is 2 in stock. You got the gel cap knee pads, $42 down from $44.97. You got some more knee pads here at the bottom. These are look like it says Husky gel soft knee pads, $34. Then you got the cheaper ones. These are hard cap swivel. That's the way they look. 14 down from $17.97. You got some gloves here, just working gloves. $6.97 latex grabber. Alright, we still got these deals. $24.88. This is the Max Fit screwdriver set with the right angle accessory. Remember, guys, this thing by itself is more than $20, so you're getting those bits for free basically. So $91 for the angle grinder rigid. I know we've seen a lot of these. We got the heavy duty finished nails, my bad. 20 degrees, $24 down from $32.98. We got some extensions there for $11, $11.98. 16.3, so basically household. It says mounts in drywall, tornado, no wood needed. So just depending on what you want to do with those hooks. $6.06. You got some planer blades. Says what's compatible. It's a 12 by a half an inch plain knives there. You got SDS Max ballpoint chisel, 12 inch down to $11.97. You got a blower there, $129. Got a roofing nailer, 1 3/4, $229. Remember, guys, make sure you guys double check those prices with the associates. Sometimes they are cheaper. They do not update the stickers. So they got this. It's always nice to have something like this. What I do is if I got an older appliance, I just cut the ends and stuff like that. Or an older tool that doesn't work, just keep the extension instead of just buying one for $7 there. You got some sand sheets. $7.97 or $6.97, my bad. Alright, guys, this is the new Inflator. This is the new Milwaukee Inflator. This is actually the first time I see it at the stores, because I usually never take a trip down here to the compressors. So this was $179. It does include some accessories. It says inflation needle, inflation accessories for the tire. It says tire capacity. What else? It says handle. So it includes a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, and I was actually talking to the associates of Milwaukee Associates. They said that starting August, that they're gonna start having the newer deals, and they might start having the newer tools at the stores. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for August. Stay subscribed. Make sure you guys hit that bell icon and all that notifications, so you guys can get all the notifications. You got 3-drawer box, pack out box 164. That's the one that I have. It works really well. You got the slim organizer down to, or actually $44.97. These are regular prices, by the way. And I'm just showing you guys what they have here, because usually I don't see a lot of accessories. $64.97. And then you got this one. This one's the bigger organizer. So it's pretty nice. And then you got the pack out radio for $329, which I did not see there. And then you got the tray. This is the new tray for $39.97. It's a little bit pricey. Hopefully we can get some discounts on these. I know they used to have one that you buy over $229, I believe, or something like that, and you get pack out crate for free. But you know, we need some more deals. Milwaukee, if you're listening to this. All right, you got the cooler. This is one of the newer ones. This is pretty interesting what they did with this. It's a little pricey though. It's definitely a little pricey. They do have a nice tray inside. If you guys got, you know, smaller stuff, maybe a sandwich or something, keep that cool or separated from the ice. Some food. And that price is $109. Yes, with $109 you can probably get yourself a Yeti with that price. But if you want to keep it pack out, that's the way to go. Alright, so this is on sale. It's down to $149. Make sure you guys pick it up if you guys are, you know, don't want to spend the Milwaukee money, or, you know, invest in the Milwaukee money and get something similar. Obviously, you're not going to get the same quality, but you are getting just about, you know, I would say just about there. Alright, so these are on clearance or on sale. $239 down from $279. There's a 21-inch mulch or side discharge Troy built, and that is the sale, the deal that they got going on with those 3 packouts or those 3 link systems. This one, you buy this one and you get yourself a free toolbox, a link system toolbox. So you buy that for $199. It's Impact Driver, Drill Driver. You get that box for free, valued at $44.97. It's actually not a bad deal. They got these blades. This is a 2-pack. For $12, $12.97. That's pretty good. Pretty good deal on that. These are name brand blades. You got these for $14.97. Diablo 6-piece metal reciprocating, plus you get 4 bonus blades. You get a nice case with this one. So this one's actually, I haven't seen this deal before in this year. I've seen it before in other years, but not something similar to this, by the way. But I haven't seen this. They got $8.97 for the 9-inch 2-pack pruning blades. It's very interesting what they did with these. You know, who knew back in the day you would, you know, use a reciprocating saw to prune some trees. Use the old. Alright, so you got the max fit there, $9. These are just about under $10. This is actually a really good deal. Get some bits if you're running low on bits. That's a nice deal there. Very simple, very nice, very convenient. So, alright, then they got the Milwaukee. So it does have some drill bits. It looks like a magnetic sleeve, socket adapter, nut drivers. $24.97 down for $33. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.